Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dominic. Today I'm excited to show you around our lovely 2018 68 plate Peugeot 208. Now this is a massive spec car. This is the Tech Edition model, so it comes very well specified. So straight away, coming through to the front bumper, we've got LED daytime running lights. We've got our parking sensors all along the front and the side. So we've got parking sensors front and rear. We've got privacy glass to the back there as well. The car itself is finished in this lovely grey metallic paintwork. We're riding on lovely 16-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels, finished in the lovely satin black with a diamond turned outer edge. Coming through to the rear, you've got your rear parking sensors there. Looking through to the boot, you'll find the parcel shelf is present. We've got split folding rear seats if you ever need more room, and then down here you'll find your space saver spur wheel. Quite a nice thing to have. Most of these newer cars come with tyre inflation kits, so a spur wheel is just peace of mind for me. But looking around the bodywork, it's a tidy car. You can tell it's truly been cherished by the previous owners. We've got a lot of nice chrome detailing to the exterior, so we've got bright silver window surrounds, we've got chrome mirror caps, lovely detailing to the centre grille as well. Now inside is where you'll find all the specifications. So we've got these lovely cloth sport seats, nice supportive bolsters. Looking at the actual bolster and the seat base, those are in fantastic order. No signs of any sort of rips, tears. Doesn't smell like it's been smoked in, doesn't smell of any sort of pets. 3 seat belts, Isofix in the bottom for your child's seats. We've got electric rear windows, and then jumping inside, we'll close the door, slide the seat back just so we can get a full appreciation of the cabin. So inside we've got 4 electric windows with the child lock for the rear. We've got park folding mirrors, which is a nice thing to have. A leather multifunction steering wheel with your voice command and all your volume controls. We've got automatic lights and automatic wipers on the stalks. We've got cruise control and speed limiter. As we're doing the video today, this vehicle's only covered 24,226 miles, which is absolutely nothing to one of these. And then coming through to the centre display, we've got our nice features on there. So we've got parking sensors on there, traction control, inflation. This is basically all of your driving information. Then you've got your vehicle settings, so this is your comfort lighting, your driving lights. But if we click through to menu, this will take us to the home screen. So click through to radio, it's a full DAB, so you've got all the extended channels. Telephone, obviously you've got Bluetooth phone with all your music streaming. Satellite navigation, which again is a fantastic thing to have. It's a very responsive system and very easy to follow. Then we've got our applications for our phone, so obviously once you've connected your phone via the Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and you've also got Mirror Link on there as well. Settings and your vehicle information as well. Now coming through down to the bottom, you'll find our dual zone climate control, so the passenger can have a different climate to the driver. We've got remote central locking, we've got air conditioning, 5-speed manual transmission. Down there you'll find a 12-volt power outlet and a USB. All the documentation with the vehicle is still supplied with the car there today. We've got both keys, but inside is a lovely place to be. The seats are in superb order. Steering wheel, there's no signs of any sort of nicks or anything in there. The actual centre screen, the gear shifter, that's all in nice order too. So if you'd like any information on this vehicle, if you'd like a part exchange price, if you'd like some finance quotations, or you'd just like to book a viewing, please do get in touch. You can give us a call on 01942 231 123. You can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. But thank you for watching the video, and we look forward to your inquiry.